Hey guys, how's it going? This is RC Unboxing, and today I have the Scarface limited edition that comes with the iconic statue. There is the box. So it does come with the Scarface 4K edition, the Blu-ray, and the digital. And it also comes with the 1932 Scarface in Blu-ray. And of course, the World Is Yours collectible statue. So over here is basically what you get in the box. The little read up there. Some images there from the movie. And it says the bonus features: Scarface 35th anniversary reunion. The other side there. There it is. Alright, so let's open this up. Alright, just bear with me a little. That was the toughest plastic to unwrap, let me tell you. Go. Just a little J card basically. Just get that out the way. There is the statue. Really nice. The box again. We do have some artwork in the back. Got this little annoying glue here. Get that out the way. Yeah, that's really nice. And the side again. Let's open this up. The box out the way. Protector off. And this is the statue, guys. Has some weight to it, actually. Scarface at the bottom. Yeah, that's a nice piece right there. Let me just move that to the side now over here. And just get the movie out from the box for you guys. Here goes the 4K itself. Some nice black and gold cover art. back. Oh, there goes the disc. You gotta love when that happens. Just pick that up. Pop that back in there. So there goes the 4K disc, and it seems like, wow, that's a mess in here, huh? These little pieces not even clipped on. There you go, that is the 4K disc there. Nice and simple. And that was the Blu-ray disc. Not bad there. And then we have the original Scarface. As you can see there, it says rated PG. That's crazy. But yeah, besides that, that's about it. Have that there. And yeah, that's about it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.